y'all? I am super duper excited, as you can tell, because today we are putting together a pool table. That's right, we are putting together a pool table. As you can see, it comes with many parts, but they look like they're pretty well numbered. So let's go ahead, let's dig in.
I found it on Walmart.com. Right now it's on sale for $694.44, but it was originally $900. And this is how it's supposed to look when it's done. Oh, and I did look up and get the last one. As you can see, it's out of stock right now. So I was the very last one. So I'm really excited about that. Of course, the box is much larger than this, but I just want to give you guys an idea of kind of what the box looks like or how it comes. It's a Barrington Billiards 90-inch ball and claw leg pool table with the cue rack. So I got lucky and got a bonus deal. It comes with the cue rack and dartboard set, and the colors are green, burgundy, but I chose to go with the tan. So I like the tan brown, and that's the one that I chose to go with. Now I will say it did take about 4 people to get this bad boy in because it is extremely heavy. It did take a lot of effort to get it pulled in, just to get it pushed into where we need it to be pushed in. So this big boy ain't no joke. So I didn't get this in by myself, so I don't know what the heck made me think I was gonna pick this up by myself. So hold up, we gotta take a little pause. I gotta get me some help to pick this bad boy up. So it's really a good idea to keep the corresponding boxes with the contents that came out of those boxes. I'm pretty sure that it'll be a lot easier because it'll probably tell me what's in box 2, yada yada yada. So it's really important. So that's what I've done. That's how I've got it lined up with what came out of the boxes, so I know which box goes to which parts. So right now we're on figure 1. I've got my 4 number 6s. I've got my 4 number 5s. And right now I'm just leaving them like this so they're going to be loose, but I'm eventually going to tighten them up. But just to get the concept going, that's what I'm doing now. Later and I'll tighten everything up, but this is how it should look. So this is how the entire figure 2 should look. Each of your legs should look just like this.